Hello there, it's Hestia September with the Escape Van. I'm here to show you just an overview of the features and the amazing things about this van that make it so cool to get out into the woods. So let's take a look. It is super easy to drive. There's no trailer hitch, there's no 36 feet of RV, and so if you can drive a car, you can drive this thing. So, there are racks, by the way, and that's a super cool thing for surfboards and storage boxes and so forth. It takes regular gas, just unleaded, no lock or anything, just unleaded gas. There's also fresh water for the sink inside, and you can either fill it up with a hose, or I have a 3-gallon jug in here that you can fill it up with. Of course, there's the handy dandy QR code. People will love this thing, and lots of talking. Tell them to check out the QR code. And back here, we have the kitchen. Kitchen is fabulous for cooking out on the road. Here's that 3-gallon jug that you can fill the water with. There is a 2-burner Coleman stove, super easy to use. And there's running water for cooking, for washing dishes, and it drains out the bottom there. And there is underneath there, you can see, you can either close it if you're in a parking lot or something, or open it up, because I always use eco-friendly soap and it'll just go into the dirt. So, and then we have a fridge, and even just driving a little ways, you can feel it freezing. You just keep it up on max. You keep in here cheese and meat and so forth. And then we have a whole bunch of the Coleman stove, these little propane cans for the stove. There's camp chairs for as many as people as you have, and of course, the coffee press. And then if we come along this side, we have here blackout curtains all the way around. On this side, we have this fabulous awning, and it comes way out here. It has a mosquito net. If you put the awning room on it, you can sleep 5 or 6 more people out here with a mosquito net, or the tent walls in here. And now let's go inside. Inside we have it. This bench seat, there's 3 seat belts, and if you have, it's an easy open up for a queen size bed, or if it's open like this, you have the tabletop that goes right there, so you can sit and play cards, and it's lovely in the rain to be inside. And then we have just the passenger side. Very, very simple, basic. I do find that having this handle here is really easy for if you've got the elderly auntie who needs help getting in and out. This is a fabulous feature, surprisingly. So, and then around front, here we have it. The Escape Van with Escape Van Northwest. Hope to see you out on the road soon. Hey, Archie. Come here, Archie. Oh, you little stinker muskie. Oh, hello. You want to go camping?